Hello students, in this series of Vedic Mathematics, we are today doing the place value addition. This is very useful in two-digit number. So let's understand how it is done. 43 plus 32. 43 can be written as 40 plus 3 and 32 can be written as 30 plus 2. So 40 plus 30 will be 70 and 3 plus 2 will be 5. You add up the two and get the answer 75. In practice, you understand this concept, but when you are doing actually in your calculations, you are not supposed to do this rough work. So how you will perform it? Very simple. You will simply say 50 because this is at tens place. 50 plus 40 is 90. The moment you write 90, you'll just add these two digits, that is answer is 96. I hope you understand. Thank you.